I grew up in Naperville, Illinois, and went to Great High School, Neuqua Valley. From there, I went to University of Memphis and got my bachelor's in business management. I got started in real estate investing from having a huge desire to be financially free. I love my free time, I love traveling, and I really didn't like working for anyone else. Real estate investing was my ticket to my own financial freedom. So I got started in real estate investing from it being part of my family. My dad has been a real estate investor for the past 50 years and kind of introduced me into that. I've been thinking about real estate investing for about 3 years before I actually got started. I put all my ducks in a row and prepared myself to have everything ready for the opportunity. And then luckily through conversations with other people, the opportunity presented itself and I was ready to go. My biggest challenge to get started with real estate investing was myself. I was in my own way and in my head for so long. Finally, I got to the point where I'm like, Courtney, you really want this, make this happen. I got out of my own way and everything just started going at fast pace for me. I most enjoy being able to put my ideas into projects. This, in the long run, is creating someone's dream home. And for me to have the first steps in creating someone's future is something that I love. I'm very passionate about helping people. This property was specifically found for me talking to everyone. Every time I have an interaction with someone, I bring up the fact that I'm an agent as well as investor. I just so happened to be talking to someone that had a vacant home for 7 years. And it was my very first fix and flip. This property is located in Mount Greenwood, an amazing suburb in Chicago. The whole street is filled with firefighters and police officers, and right around the corner from the fire department. The area is so nice, the neighbors are so lovely, and it's right across from one of the best middle schools. So with this property, it was really pretty much just light rehab work. It was really cosmetic, so the floors were already beautiful. We refinished everything and just really updated all the systems and appliances to make it ready. I had my general contractor walk through the property and just really make sure that all the systems and the foundation and structure was sound and I can move forward with the deal. So I purchased this property for $150,000 with a $45,000 rehab budget. After all the loans are said and done and paid back, it is a $60,000 profit. It was put on the market for $266,000. With this profit, it's going to change my life completely. I'm able to be completely debt-free, which is amazing. I also plan on continuing purchasing properties. So this is just the beginning. This year I plan alone to get 2 more properties that I can fix and flip. The most important thing that I did to succeed on this property was to not give up. Anyone looking to invest in real estate, do not give up. There's gonna be ups and downs, hurdles that you overcome, and because for every hurdle I had, I kept going, solved it, came up with the solution, and moved forward, I finally made it to the closing table. I chose Do Hard Money because they're very friendly for brand new investors. This was my first fix and flip, and I wanted to work with a company that understood that and really kind of held my hand through the whole process, which Do Hard Money did. So into this deal, I had to bring $38,000 cash to close. That was it. Do Hard Money did fund the whole rehab end of the deal. There's no way I could have done this deal without Do Hard Money. They showed me exactly what it looks like, from the contracting bids to getting an LLC started. They genuinely support newbie investors with all of the behind the scene things that you just might not know about. So without having the Do Hard Money structure in place, I would have been lost for sure. To anyone considering working with Do Hard Money, I highly recommend them as a hard money lender. It's really important to have a great deal first and foremost. So if you have a good deal, they're 100% supportive to hold your hand through the entire process. So after everything's paid back and everything's said and done, it's a $60,000 profit on this property.